Trader Alex Coffey joins us now for the Trader Rundown. He's taking a look at the market action for us today, and I know a lot of traders are very focused on the VIX here.
Yeah, the VIX continues to grind lower as you see the equity market continue to grind higher, but you're getting some conflicting signals from other marketplaces, and you're actually seeing gold market make new highs, as well as the Treasury market staying elevated. So you're getting a little bit of a conflicting signal there on where we may go next in equities.
Right, because sometimes the money goes to gold out of a safe haven play if people are nervous in the market.
Yeah, and so gold, it was continued to grind lower last year, and part of that may have been a little bit of, finding value in gold, especially with economic concerns across the world, but it continues to grind higher each and every day so far this year.
Let's take a look at your stock list. You have Southwest on the list. Now, I know that airline took a bit of a hit because of the government shutdown. For instance, the company had a hard time getting that flight to Hawaii off the ground because of the shutdown. No one there to process the required paperwork. So what do you think?
Yeah, so with Southwest, it's interesting. I'm glad you brought up the shutdown because they did come out and they actually lowered their revenue projections going forward, saying that the government shutdown was about 10 to 25 million initial impact. Now they're seeing it closer to 60 million. This initially sent Southwest lower, but I'm actually seeing investors taking this as an opportunity potentially as they're going into the put market and selling the April 50 puts.
So that's slightly bullish.
A little bit less bullish than maybe buying a call or some of the other strategies we've talked about.
Let's take a look at another stock on your list, Micron.
Micron's another interesting one. It's one that's a little bit more cyclical as it's in that chip space, and it's a space that was actually beat up pretty significantly in 2018, selling off quite a bit. But there's concerns about a little bit with falling chip prices and economic slowdown, which has impacted this space, but it's made quite the comeback, and I'm actually seeing some action in the call market as we're seeing investors go into the 50 calls in March, which represents about a 20% upside play.
Ooh, that is very bullish. Thanks for coming on the show.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.